welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know it's been a very long while that I have posted anything on this channel, but I am back on the wheel in posting videos. And today I just wanted to do a get ready with me, a chit chat. It's been a very long time that I have been on this channel. So I was like, you know what, to start off fresh, the best thing to do is to do a get ready with me chit chat and just, you know, touch base with you guys and, you know, talk to you guys about why I have not been on YouTube, why I have been MIA for so long. All right, and basically, guys, of course you will know it because of the title of the video, but I am pregnant. Yes, I'm pregnant, and that's the reason why I have not been uploading any video. And yeah, and you might be saying, Lois, well, that's not no excuse. Actually, that's a reason to upload videos. You guys, my pregnancy have not been the best to me. I was sick throughout my entire pregnancy, and it was very hard and difficult for me to film. I will be doing some videos, by the way. I'm priming my face with the LA Girls Pro Prep concealer. You guys, if you hear me breathing really hard, it's because I'm exhausted. Like, I am out of breath. It's ridiculous how bad I have it. But I will be posting some videos on my pregnancy symptoms. I'm going to do it like in 3 parts: first trimester, second trimester, and third trimester, and what I have been experiencing in those 3 stages of my pregnancy. So yes, you guys, I am pregnant, and I will not go into details in terms of my symptoms and how I'm feeling and how it was and stuff, because as I said before, where's my foundation? I will be posting videos talking about my journey, so I don't want to be redundant. Today I'm using the Black Opal stick foundation in Beautiful Bronze. This shade normally used to be a little bit too slightly too dark for me, but I have gotten a little bit dark, yes, in color. That, to be honest with you guys, most of my foundations is too light for me now. So because of that, there's like only 2 foundations that actually looks kind of presentable on me, and that's my Black Opal and the Fenty Beauty. So I'm just applying this foundation all over my face. So this pregnancy was planned. We did want to get pregnant. We did want to conceive, so it did not catch us by surprise. I was very excited to find out that I was pregnant, and I remember the day that I found out, like, I really was not like expecting to see a positive on the pregnancy test, and I did. And I remember I told Raymond that same day I couldn't wait. I told him that same day, I was like, you know, I'm pregnant. And the first thing we did was we knelt down in our kitchen, and we prayed, and we just thanked God for this blessing that He had given unto us on this journey that we were about to take. And for using stick foundations, I just really like to go in with this type of brush, because I find it's more just to distribute the foundation, and then I go in with my beauty blender just to buff out everything else. And I noticed with the Black Opal stick foundation, whenever I'm using that, I have to go in like with a very moisturizing primer, because if I use like a mattifying primer, like, it's really difficult to blend. yeah, so we knelt down and we prayed and we thanked God for this blessing. And I remember everyone during this journey have been telling me, Lois, you're having a girl, you're having a girl. But I really, really wanted a boy, you guys. Like, ever since I knew myself, I always said that I wanted a boy first and then a girl. I always wanted 2 children and I wanted a boy first. Like, I was so strong about that. And then everyone's like, it's a girl, it's a girl, it's a girl. And I was like, okay, all right, well then probably, you know, it's a girl and I'm having. But we went to the doctor and it's a boy, you guys. And I'm using my Black Opal Stick Foundation in Nutmeg as a concealer. Normally I could have used this as a foundation, this shade, but these days I gotta use it as a highlighter. Yeah, so everyone, I am so excited to be having a boy. You won't believe how excited I am. The only thing that is not excited or exciting is shopping, because when I shop, I see so much cute things for girls and I'm like, wait, you know, there's so many limited things, limited styles to select from for boys. And then when you go through girl stuff, I mean, it's ridiculous, like ridiculous, and not only ridiculous but ridiculously cute stuff that you see for girls. And then when you go to the boys section, it's like, this is it, this is all that I have. Yeah, so I really, like, I think I went into this pregnancy very naive. Like, I thought that this would have been like, you know, like a walk in the park for me, and you know, I would be glowing and I would be fashionable, just wearing makeup and looking beat, and you know, just oops. Just, oh my gosh, I got powder everywhere. Just, you know, just enjoying my pregnancy and letting the world know how a pregnant woman, you know, can be. You guys, that just went out the window because my entire pregnancy, literally, I have been so tired, so exhausted. Like, I don't even have like the energy or the zeal to even put on makeup, to be honest with you guys. All of that just went through the window. Like, the perfect day for me is lying down in my bed watching TV with a popsicle in my hand and the air conditioner on. That's the perfect day for me. Anything else, I really don't care for. So I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me. So I bought this like a while ago in Deep, in the shade Dark, and it was too dark for me. It was too dark. Now it's like, I wouldn't say the perfect shade, but this is what I have to use now because I've gotten darker. So this is what I use. Oh my gosh, yeah. It's still a little bit too dark for me, to be honest with you. And it have like a red undertone. Wow, I put a little bit too much underneath here. It have like a red undertone and I am not red. I don't have a red undertone, I have a yellow undertone. So, but it works. It works. It's a really good loose powder to use too. And I'm gonna carry this straight down to my neck because my neck is like, you see how black my neck is? Like, my neck, it just gotten so dark. It's ridiculous. Yeah, but I am happy and excited to be a mom. The only thing that I'm very nervous and scared about is labor. Like, I'm scared about that. I really am. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm trying to prepare myself mentally for it. I did went like Lamaze classes, which is like a class that helps you with breathing, and they show you like how to breathe properly and how to prepare for labor, which I guess has helped me a lot. But I am still like nervous about this thing called labor. And to top it all off, last night, I was watching a video about this girl. She took epidural, which I guess helps with your pain, or supposed to, like, you're not even actually supposed to get any pain with an epidural. And this girl was like in so much pain even though she took this medicine. I am going in with a Sasha blush. Yeah, she was like in so much pain even though she took this, and I'm like, oh my gosh, she is in so much pain, and with this medicine she's taking. Far less for me that is going to do this all natural. You know, I have no choice but to do it natural, because in my country they don't give you that. Right? I'm like, what's going to be my predicament? Like, how am I going to, you know, survive? Like, what's going to be my predicament? But you know what, I'm trying. I'm going in with I didn't bring my brush, so I'm just going to use my hands and just pat this in. And sometimes your hands actually is like the best tool that you can use. Sometimes I find I'm using my hands, it actually works way better. But this is by Milani, and it's a big bronzer, but I use it as a highlighter because it's so shimmery, and I do not like shimmery bronzers. I love matte. Right, I don't know why I'm sweating like that. I'm gonna put a little bit on my eyebrows, just follow the shimmer. All right, I'm not gonna do nothing with my eyes today. Just like a very simple makeup tutorial. Well, not a tutorial, but get ready with me I'm doing today. I am sweating. Oh my gosh, the place is so hot. Yeah, so what else do you guys want to know? Raymond is super my husband. He is so excited to be a dad, and it melts my heart to see him. You know, it really does melt my heart to see how he is, and I know that he's gonna be a really good father. He is going to help, I know, definitely. Like a lot of people, a lot of women, it's very hard for them because they have to do all the work by themselves and they feel like pressured. I know for sure I would not have that problem with my husband. He is going to be a hands-on dad. And he is so excited, and I am excited. It's, oh my gosh. My bag is already packed and everything, my hospital bag. If you guys want me to do a what's in my hospital bag, let me know. And I'll be sure to do that for you guys. I think I am overpacking, but you guys, it's my first child, so let me be. And then so it's like the amount of things that they put on the list for me to carry to the hospital, it's ridiculous. I'm like, am I just going to stay? Because I intend to stay there for like a day, for the most 2 days. Like, I really am hoping that I don't have to stay in the hospital long, because I hate the hospital and I don't want to stay there at all. I just don't. Like, I wish like I could have just had the baby, and as soon as I'm done, just go straight home. Like, that's the ideal day for me. But I know that may not be possible. I may have to stay in the hospital like at least a day. Oh, and then I use this Sasha lipstick in Bounce on it. I'm just gonna spray my face I'm just going to spray my face using the LA Girls Pro Satin spray, and I don't even think I need to use this. I don't have to use this because I am sweating so much. But and just let that dry a little bit. So yes guys, if you guys want to see like what's in my hospital bag, my labor and delivery story, probably I may actually, you know what, even though I will still do those videos, I want to do quite a few pregnancy videos, like updates for you guys, how it's going for me and stuff like that. So stay tuned for that. And of course I will still be doing all my beauty and lifestyle related videos for you guys. Yeah, so this was just this video is just to update you guys on what's going on with me, and just to give you guys a life update, and just to welcome you back and welcome myself back to this channel. I miss you guys. I miss YouTube so much. So thanks for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and tell everyone you know. Bye.